A customer just brought in this gaming PC saying that the system was shutting off on startup, so let's get it fixed. To verify the issue, I turned on the system and after about 20 seconds the system would just shut off and then restart and then immediately shut off again, and it kind of fell into this never-ending loop. So to get this fixed, I checked the motherboard's QLED, which after looking at it, it showed 4 zeros right before it would fail, and in my experience this is usually an issue with the CPU or motherboard. But in order to be sure, the first thing I wanted to do was remove all unnecessary components out of the system and put in some known good testing RAM that I had on hand. With all that removed, I tested the system and unfortunately I got the same issue. I also at this point tried resetting the CMOS and that didn't really change the behavior of the system either. So at that point I wanted to see if maybe we were dealing with a CPU overheating issue, so I removed the cooler to find that the thermal paste was completely dried up despite the system turning on a bunch of times. Generally when this is the case, this means that the CPU hasn't had any power generated through it, as the heat actually turns the thermal paste back to a liquid state. So I decided it was best to go ahead and try swapping out the motherboard for a known good one, and when I swapped that over and rewired the system and plugged all the components back in, wouldn't you know it, the system came right back to life. So it looks like we were just dealing with a bad motherboard, and with this system now fixed, I can get it back to the customer.